How may I help you?
Hello, good morning. This is Angelica. I would like to book a room for my boss, Rochelle de los Reyes.
Sure, ma'am. When and what type of suite are you gonna rent?
March 20, an executive suite. She will be staying there for about 3 days.
Luckily, mom, we have a vacant suite, the executive suite on that day.
Okay, thank you. So expect her arriving at that day, maybe around 2 p.m.
Sure, ma'am. We will be ready for your arrival.
Hello ma'am, welcome to the Grand Hotel. Let me carry your luggage. I am Harvey, your personal butler. I will do anything for you as long as it's legal. I can organize your day, book you an extortion reservation from all kinds of restaurants. Just let me know whatever you need.
Maybe I need a glass of wine. No, just joking.
Here is your executive suite. Excuse me. Can I unpack your luggage?
Ah, sure.
Just allow me to prepare the food by our executive chef.
Sure. We'll inform you later.
Okay. For now, ma'am, do you need a coffee, tea, or juice?
None. For now, I need some rest.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm just lucky to have you as my butler.
Do you need your breakfast to be ready?
Maybe a coffee on the go.
Okay. Your business. Hi ma'am, how was your day?
It's fine. Thank you.
Good